Ever seen a cat that looks like a tiny alien? Meet the Sphynx cat. Here are 6 funny facts about this hairless wonder. Fact number 1, they're always cold. These cats rock sweaters better than humans. Fact number 2, no fur but big appetite. Their metabolism is so fast they eat like a mini lion. Fact number 3, weekly spa days. These cats need baths to avoid getting oily skin. Fact number 4, sun addicts. They love to sunbathe but risk getting sunburned. Fact number 5, Velcro cats. They're clingy and will follow you like a shadow. Fact number 6, the price of style. Owning one costs around $1,500 to $3,000 in the US. Want a cat with no fur but tons of personality? The Sphynx is perfect. Subscribe for more animal facts.